In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rainbow hollow text in Canva. Hi everyone! If you've ever wanted text that looks colorful, airy, and modern, this technique is a quick way to make your titles pop without feeling heavy on the page. Start by opening Canva and either opening an existing design or creating a new one. Any size works for this. Choose whatever fits your project, whether it's a social post, a thumbnail, or a presentation slide. Once your canvas is open, look to the left sidebar and click Text. From here, add a heading or a text box. A heading is a good starting point because it's large and easy to see, but a regular text box works just as well. Next, type your word one letter at a time, placing each letter in its own separate text box. This might feel a bit slower at first, but it gives you precise control over the styling and positioning, which is key for the rainbow effect. Separate boxes let you color each letter differently and nudge them exactly where you want. Now click on any one letter to select it. At the top menu, click Effects. This opens a panel with different text styles. Choose the Hollow effect. Hollow removes the fill and keeps the outline, giving you that clean, outlined look that's perfect for a colorful design. If your letter looks too thin or too bold, don't worry. Hollow adapts well to most fonts, and you can always change the font later to one that suits the outline look. With the letter still selected, click the color picker. Pick a color for that outline, then repeat the process for each letter, choosing a different color for each one to create a rainbow look. You can follow a classic order: reds, oranges, yellows, greens, blues, and purples, or mix and match colors that complement your background. If your background is busy, consider placing your text over a lighter area so the outlines stand out clearly. Finally, arrange the letters together to form your word. Click and drag each letter so they sit side by side with consistent spacing. Canva's snap guides will help you line things up neatly and keep your baseline even. Zoom in if you need a closer look, and adjust until the word feels balanced and cohesive. And that's how you create rainbow hollow text in Canva. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.